sister. And Leo. How are you doing today? You doing good? Yeah? Good boy. Paw. You're such a good puppy. You're so cute in your Halloween bandana. Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. It's just about 8 a.m. and I'm getting Madison off to school. I actually have to go back to Target to return some stuff, and I had forgotten that I had some makeup in the cart, and I don't remember ever unpacking it, so I wonder if I left it in the cart or if it never made it home in the bag. I don't know what's going on with that, so I have to go and see if that was left behind. And then I have a lot of stuff to just do around the house today. Yeah, I just have like a big to-do list. Not fun stuff, paying bills and doing some computer work and things like that. So I figured I'm gonna get her off to school, do my, quick Target return, and then I'll take it from there. So I'm gonna make some coffee to go and we're gonna head out. It is a very windy and blustery day. And I just wanted to show you, there's no light in here because the chandelier hasn't been put back yet, but we painted the walls yesterday. So the room is finally complete. So it was a lot of work. I don't know if you can see up here all the detail. Every little etching there has like gold paint. I'll show you guys a little bit better when we have some lighting back in here. But it's done, so now we just have to put it all back together. So I suppose I'm gonna have to start going through all of this and getting everything organized to be put back. And one of the things I have to do today is clean this chandelier. So that's gonna be a project. Good morning, Madison.
Good morning.
You all ready for school? Eating your Cheerios? Yeah? All right, we're gonna leave in 5 minutes, okay? I know, but it's Friday. And you have a fun weekend planned, right?
I'm going to my friend Olivia's, and then I'm sleeping over, I think. And then I'm going to my friend Kaylee's and sleeping over.
2 sleepovers.
In a row.
Fun. So I just got to Target and I am having my morning coffee. Madison looked at this mug and she's like, Mom, that reminds me of you. You're just like all about Disney and loving Disney, but you are not a morning person and you're all mad and grumpy in the morning. Mornings aren't magical. So yeah, that's me in the morning. And I'm trying a different kind breakfast bar. This is the dark chocolate cocoa, so we'll see how that is. And that is my quick breakfast. I have to run into Target, like I said, and make a return and pick up a couple of things. And of course I just spilled coffee all over my shirt. I don't even know how I was doing it. It must have been like dribbling out of my cup as I was driving. So yeah, off to a great start. The sun is like in a really weird place, so I'm trying to, my hair is always so weird. I'm trying to get the camera in like a place where you can see me without the sun glaring. But that was the quickest Target run that I have ever had. I literally was in and out, which is good because I have a lot on my plate today. But I made the return, and the thing that I really needed was those gallon-sized bags because I made a big thing of chicken soup this week, and I made a big crock pot of chili, so I wanted to be able to transfer that over to the freezer, and I really had no means of doing so because I don't have appropriate sized containers that'll fit in my freezer without those like freezer bags. So got that, and I am headed home to do all of the things I really don't want to do today. But I'll check back with you guys once I have all of the incredibly boring stuff done. Glad that I took the time to wrap this up. So now I have chili, and then I probably have at least 2 chicken soup meals. So it's a good thing I picked up these big bags, and I'm gonna go ahead and freeze these now for a quick and easy dinner, maybe sometime next week or the week after. So I just Windexed all of the windows in here, and now I'm getting ready to tackle the chandelier, which might be its own video because I did some research on it and I'm comparing it to ways that I've cleaned it in the past, and I think that it is worthy of a little video on how to clean a chandelier. So I think I'm going to go ahead and film that now. Checking out today's to-do list, this whole section, I don't even know if I'm going to get to it. But I got my morning stuff done for the most part. I have to finish cleaning the chandelier, and the house is tidy-ish. It could be a lot better, but there's just a lot going on right now. So whatever, it is what it is. I'm gonna just have to be content with whatever I get done. So I randomly decided to go get my nails done. So I did a mani-pedi instead of all of my computer responsibilities today because I wanted my nails to look nice for the wedding. So that's done. I've been listening a lot to Be Our Guest podcast. They have like the best shows. I'm a little bit behind October 4th, but I'm catching up. I really enjoy listening to them, and I really am liking this color. I have to remember it's OPI red, and it's just like such a classic red color. I definitely think I'm going to do it again for the holidays. It's really pretty, and I am so glad that although that took away a big portion of my day, my nails are done and they will look good for the weekend. So today's attire is just this, like, I forgot what this type of a button-down top is called, but it kind of looks like denim. So I have that over this white shirt, which now has some coffee stains on it. Hopefully you can't notice it too bad because I really didn't plan on changing. And then I just have on my black leggings and my black Michael Kors boots that I bought last year. And yeah, so that's today's outfit. I'm just like kind of running around all day and cleaning and changing light bulbs and cleaning chandeliers and stuff like that. And then I'm going to quickly show you behind you the dresses that we got at the mall last night. So Emily ended up getting her prom dress super early. Look at this beautiful red gown. It fits her so perfectly, and I know the prom isn't until the spring, but I really thought that she's never going to find a dress as beautiful as this. And then the black and silver dress next to it is the dress that I got for the wedding tomorrow night. And then I purchased the silver shoes to go along with it. I did end up getting the $20 shoes rather than the $5 shoes because I figured I would rather be comfortable and not fall down during the wedding. So that's what I ended up getting for the wedding. And then I just have this old kind of like a shell purse that I've had for a really long time now. It's all beaded, so I'm going to use that along with it, and I think it'll look really pretty. And I just thought I would show you quickly the other things that I purchased at the mall last night. It's not very much, but I did get some new hand washes from Bath & Body Works, and these all smell so amazing. These two fragrances are new to me, but this is my all-time favorite fragrance. It's the Japanese Cherry Blossom. It just smells so great any time of year. I like to use it all year round. So I picked those up, and then for Halloween, I got this little unicorn kitty from Madison. I usually like to put together little gifts for the kids for Halloween, and since she is being a unicorn, I thought that would be very appropriate. I have these two little peanut butter cup pumpkins for me. I'm gonna probably stick those in my purse. And then there's these little clips, and I'm not sure exactly what they're supposed to be for. I guess you can attach them to a gift, or at first I thought maybe it was a hair clip, but that would be a little bit much, right? So I thought they were cute though, just to maybe clip onto a curtain or a lamp or something in the house, and you could use it for both Halloween and Thanksgiving because it's just a little pumpkin. So I thought that was cute, and that's really the only other things that I purchased in addition to the dress and the shoes that I needed to get for the wedding. So guys, unfortunately I have to end the vlog super early today because we are going to see the Eagles in concert, and we're supposed to be leaving by 4 o'clock. So I'm headed to the school now to pick up Madison, and then we're going to be headed off to a concert and probably not getting home till like 2 in the morning. So I just wanted to thank you again for watching and coming along with me today. I'm sorry I didn't have that much to share, but I was just doing a lot of like household stuff today and just boring stuff that you guys wouldn't be interested in watching me change a light bulb. But other than that, I hope that you guys all have a really great weekend, and of course I will share my weekend with you. We have the wedding tomorrow night, we have the concert tonight, and a lot of fun stuff planned, and I'm hoping that sometime Sunday we can start putting the house back together so I can like show you the dining room and how it came out completely finished after all of the painting and all that stuff's been done. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Monday. Bye.